it might not manifest yet to you today, pero nai-excite ako sa'yo kasi baka maging multi-millionaire kapag tanda mo eh. Bakit? Lagi ko sinasabi, when you are young, fail fast. You put yourself into so much failures. Kasi from there, if you have a lot of failures in your 20s, rejections. Marami akong kilala mga multi-millionaire, they were all rejected nung 20s sila. Nung early 20s sila. They learn from it, right? So ikaw yung nag-embody nun and you are on the right track kasi lahat ng behaviors and skill sets nasabi mo eh, no? Hindi ba mag-manifest yan sa financials ngayon. Pero you have what it takes to become a multi-millionaire when you hit 40s. Ang dami mong failures. Ang dami mong exposure beyond the classroom. Hindi ka pag graduating pa lang eh. 'Di ba, partner? Yeah. Graduating pa lang.
Malakas ang loob at madiskarte siya. Bata